Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make stuffed cheesy chicken buns. This chicken bun recipe makes the most flavorful and aromatic buns that are perfect for picnics, gatherings or any trip away from home where a portable snack is necessary. So friends, let's get started with the making process. First take a mixing bowl and add 150 ml of warm milk. Next goes 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Now mix this well until the sugar and the yeast dissolves well with the milk. And we will let this rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Next we will prepare the dough for the bun. For that, take a bowl and add 2 cups of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and the yeast solution. Mix this well. Keep on mixing until the dough is well combined. Now add 1 teaspoon of refined oil and mix well again. Now sprinkle some dry flour and we need to knead the dough well for about 10 to 15 minutes till we get a soft dough. I'll add now little butter, which should be at room temperature. To get soft and fluffy buns, we need to knead the dough really well. Also punch down the dough. By doing this, it removes some of the gas bubbles formed by the yeast during rising and produces a finer grain and thereby making the bun soft. So our dough is ready. Grease the dough with some oil and we will let the dough rest for 1 hour. In the meantime, we will prepare the sauce. For that, take a bowl and add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of tomato chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Mix this well. And our sauce is also ready. Next, heat a pan and add around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And when the pan is hot, we will add 1 onion which has been roughly chopped. Saute the onions for a while. Next goes 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now I'm going to add around 250 grams of minced chicken. On medium flame, saute the chicken until it changes color. Now season the chicken with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, some paprika powder as per taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix the seasoning well and we will saute the chicken until they are well cooked and golden brown. So by now the chicken is well cooked. So I will turn off the flame and proceed to the next step. It's almost 1 hour. Let's check the dough. So you can see the dough has puffed up and has doubled its size. Knead the dough once. And now we will divide the dough into 6 equal parts. And make balls of them. Now sprinkle some dry flour. And roll the dough into medium size, keeping the edges thin and center slightly thick. So this should be the size. Now add around 2 teaspoons of the prepared sauce to the chicken filling. Mix this well. This will keep the filling moist and creamy. Now place the chicken filling in the center. Add some more sauce on top of the chicken filling. And a small portion of cheese slice. You can add shredded cheese of your choice also. Now form pleats and seal the opening like this. Roll it slightly to give the shape of a ball, and our bun is ready to be baked. So in the same way I have prepared all the buns, and now I'm going to brush some butter on the top and on the sides. Next, sprinkle few white sesame seeds on the top. Since I'm going to bake the buns in the oven, I'm using this baking dish and have placed a butter paper which I have greased with some butter, so that the bottom portion of the bun does not dry out. Now very gently place the buns in the baking tray, and I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven first for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. If you are not using an oven, then you can place a stand in a pot or karhai. Next, place a plate on top like this, and then place the buns on the plate. Cover this with a tight lid and cook for about 20 minutes on low to medium flame until they are golden brown. I have already preheated my oven. Now place the tray with the buns inside the oven. Set the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius and the timer for 15 minutes. Alright, here they go. And our buns should be ready by now. Let's open and see. They are very hot now. So the buns are baked golden brown. First I had baked for 15 minutes and then again for 8 minutes to get them perfectly baked golden brown. And now I'm going to serve them. And here goes my stuffed cheesy chicken buns, baked properly from all these sides and are soft as well. I will show you the inside part. Cheesy and creamy chicken filling inside, which you are going to love it. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken bun recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.